I'm great. I'm doing the best. मुझ जैसा तो कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. Anything. I love myself just the way I am. The remote control of my life was in their hands. I've started attracting clients with all your guidance and of course Sir's guidance also. And now I've received unexpected gifts, jewelries, handbags, new phones. Actually feel that and do that and live my life like that. Anything is possible in this world.
A very warm welcome to each one of you who's watching this video. We have another Rise to Fame interview with a beautiful Surbhi. So Surbhi wants to talk about how she's transformed her entire beingness. She's transformed in every area of her life, but more so her personal frequency has really gone up. Now she's feeling more happier in her life, right, Surbhi?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
more joyful. So with over to you, Surbhi. How would you want to describe your wins? In what way? The stage is yours, so you can go ahead with that. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Meti Meraki, first of all, good evening. And so, this journey of 13, 14 months have been really amazing. I've been having a lot of shifts in every area of my life. So, starting first of all with the personal frequency, there have been times before joining the Energy Queens Hub, before joining you, ma'am, that I used to feel a lot of self doubts within me, a lot of unworthiness within me. I won't use the word depression, but yes, I was in a very low state, low energy state. But then gradually, as I came into the system, joined Diamonds also, and working actually not theoretically, but implementing what you taught us, all the learnings, all the tools and techniques. I had risen above those self doubt. I converted into self love. It was a very new thing for me because I hadn't loved myself. I used to give love to people, but to receive love and to actually love my own self, that was a very new phase for me. Maybe it's a very common thing for people, but for me it was a very new thing. So I started loving my own self, looking into the mirror. Now it's been lot many months that I love the person standing behind it. And I actually say that Surbhi, you're awesome. Like the words come out naturally. I don't have to force out of my mouth. So the unworthiness, now I feel I'm great. I'm doing the best. मुझ जैसा तो कोई हो ही नहीं सकता.
I love that. Yes.
I feel I am the best. I'm doing the best I can. And it has actually shown from inside out. I find my skin glowing. Like, people started complimenting me. Earlier, I had a lot of acnes and breakouts, and they were a part of my life all throughout since my teenage, my married life later. So but now it's because I'm shining from within, because I've started loving my own self. Even if I'm in my PJs, anything, I love myself just the way I am, as we say.
Amazing.
So
I love that. Thank you so much for sharing this. So, tell me one thing. Now that you've started loving yourself, can you see the impact outside also? Right? Because self love is there, I agree. But then, once the results are visible outside, in the sense, are you being able to handle situation better? And has your outside situation also transformed because you've started loving yourself? So, let's talk about
definitely.
that. Yes.
Yes, because it has already shown in my relationships. So there were many relationships in my life where I used to feel, the remote control of my life was in their hands. So now in those relationships, after, you've given us the truth letter and various other things, 25, 15, 5, and all those things, I have started understanding that the one major principle that you teach us, that it's me who have attracted it. E plus R is equal to O, and it's me who have attracted this in my life. So these two things have majorly, made a very deep impact in my relationships. Now they don't impact me, they don't affect me as they used to before. I'm not saying that I've let go of everything and anything, but the coming back time from those relationship issues or from anything that happens to me is very fast now. I get up very fast. So my
Mhm.
relationships have improved a lot. I can see that it's me, Surbhi. You only have to change. Nothing else. Nobody is to be blamed. ये चीज has really been अंदर घुस गई है दिमाग में that it's me who has to work. It's me who has to change.
I
So
love
yeah,
that. Yes.
this is
Amazing.
the
Thank you so much for sharing this because if you change, in fact, when you up, you're more peaceful from within, right,
yeah,
Subi?
yeah,
Right?
yes,
So whatever is happening, you know that you are in charge and you're no more giving the remote control to other people for
yes.
that matter. All right.
And
This is amazing. Yes.
And also, I wanted to share about my manifestations, about my money frequency career, like all those tools and techniques that you've taught us in money also and career also. I have started my work as a coach. I didn't have any income. I was financially dependent on my husband. I disliked this fact from the core. So now I've started, earning bit by bit. I've started attracting clients with all your guidance and of course sir's guidance also. And now, yes, I heard from you yesterday that, if you change the life of one person, that means your life is fruitful. So I have been helping people who've been suicidal, and it makes me feel so fulfilled from inside that yes, I am doing the work with your help, because whatever you've taught us I've implied in my life, and now I'm helping other people's life. So it's giving me so much fulfillment I can't express in words. And
Amazing.
also I've manifested in my money frequency 3 to 4 times, in that star that I have written all my goals. In fact, some of the times I have manifested them 3 to 4 times more. I've received unexpected gifts, jewelries, handbags, new phones. It's the life, it's coming in abundance. I've manifested my new home in where I'm sitting right now, and it's exactly as it was in my mind. It's projected in real life. So
Amazing.
every single day I'm feeling so blessed. No words, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for sharing this with everybody, because one thing what you beautifully shared, Surbhi, is when you internally shift, then outside shifts will happen. And I know that you have not chased it, you have attracted it, because you worked like, you started this call by saying that it's my personal frequency that has changed, shifted, right? You could have started by saying that you manifested your new home, you manifested all the things external, right? But it is, I mean, this is the crux. When we change inside, the outside has to manifest for us bit by bit, slow. It's not a race. It's not a like a, that there is always more for it's, there's more for me also. There's more for you also. But, we are feeling fulfilled and satisfied every single day. So that is the energy queen, I would say that. So
Yes,
thank you
ma'am.
for choosing you. Thank you for being the energy queen, I would say. So anything else which you would like to add to the people who are watching this? Maybe, some of them are already in the community. Some of them are maybe watching it on YouTube, or from on any other channel. So if you want to just inspire them, and if you want to just tell them anything for that matter.
Yeah. For me, I would just say that, just change, just be the change from within. You will attract any and everything in your life. You can do anything in your life if you decide that you are the one responsible for your life. 100% responsibility. मैम, ये लाइन आपकी मैंने अपने मन में बिल्कुल एकदम जेरोक्स की तरह बिठा ली है, that I am the one responsible for my life. And if I actually feel that and do that and live my life like that, anything is possible in this world. So yeah, that's what I've achieved. So many things in so many areas of my life. I'm actually living an energy queen life, ma'am. Thank
Yes,
you,
you
thank you,
are.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much for living the Energy Queen's life. God bless you with more abundance, more love, more of everything that you desire, Surbhi. Yes, and the Energy Empress is coming soon now,
Yes.
right? Amazing. Thank you so much once again, and God bless you.